Hello friends. So today what we are going to do, we are going to learn how to create a video by using tweencraft. Yes, this is the main thing with it, that it creates the video in horizontal form, not the vertical form. It's perfectly okay if it has said so. We'll click on create story. Important thing is that you can install it by using Google Play Store. It's very convenient and it's free of cost. Main thing. Let's click here and change the background. Since it's lockdown and we haven't visited a beach, let's click on beach. Here we are. We may zoom it out, zoom it in, the way we want it. Now add the characters. Click here. Let's say I want Pinky to be here and one more character, Tick. So these two girls are here and these are, as you can see, it's written move. You may move these characters wherever you want to, and if you click here you may resize these. Let's say she's of this height and this girl is of this height, and as you can see how easily they can move, right? So this should be her size. Expressions normal, as you can see on the screen. Shocked, bruised, happy, whichever expression you want to give to your character, you can. And these are the speakers. These are for these characters to speak. Let's keep these icons over their head so that it becomes easier for us to identify who is speaking what. Now let's begin the magic. In the next slide, always remember one thing, that when you record, first one page, one recording, means one character will speak on one page, and add another screen or another slide and then click on the other speaker. Alright, I'll just show you. Like, I click here and I'll speak anything randomly. Hello my dear friend, good to see you after a long time. Where have you been? I hope you have enjoyed the lockdown period. Processing. Now let's listen to the voice.
Hello my dear friend, good to see you after a long time. Where have you been? I hope you have enjoyed the lockdown period.
See? Wasn't it good? Now click here, add another and click here. After clicking this, you will get another voice. The other speaker will speak the way she is speaking. Oh, I've been here only. Yes, I've tried a few dishes and then I prepared few lectures for my students since they love me too much. What did you do? Even you look tiring. You look tired. Let's see. Processing. And now listen to the voice.
Here. After clicking this, you will get another voice. The other speaker will speak the way she is speaking. Oh, I've been here only. Yes, I've tried a few dishes and then I prepared few lectures for my students since they love me too much. What did you do? Even you look tiring. You look tired. Let's see.
See how easy it is? Now, one more magic. If I want that this character should go to the other character, this character should come nearer to this character, it will come here and it will move its hand, both of them. You may move the hands. The other hand too. Oh, she has moved her leg because there was a stone, so that's why she had to. She has moved her leg over here. That's it. And now she has also done the same. She will come a little bit nearer. She too will come. And they would be like, alright, can you see? We can actually move their limbs as per their dialogue, as per their position. And in the next slide, what we can do is we can add a few more dialogues. Oh dear, it's really good to see you. I have been waiting for this day to come when we'll be meeting in open area like beach. I loved the view which you have chosen to meet. Next. Same here, dear. Even I loved it. And good to see you too. I hope we'll definitely be able to exchange whatever we have learned. So let's get started. Now I'll play the entire video for you people and kindly watch the video and see the magic.
Hello, my dear friend. Good to see you after a long time. Where have you been? I hope you have enjoyed the lockdown period. Here. After clicking this, you will get another voice. The other speaker will speak the way she is speaking. Oh, I've been here only. Yes, I've tried a few dishes and then I prepared few lectures for my students since they love me too much. What did you do? Even you look tiring. You look tired. Let's see. Oh dear, it's really good to see you. I have been waiting for this day to come when we'll be meeting in an open area like beach. I loved the view which you have chosen to meet. Same here, dear. Even I loved it. And good to see you too. I hope we'll definitely be able to exchange whatever we have learned. Let's get started.
That's it. Wasn't it amazing? We watched it together and I've used D for Delhi, U for umbrella, DU recorder to record this particular video for you all. See you in the next video on how to use some other technique, some other technology, some other animation or some other application. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay at home, study well, stay blessed.